Name yanze ni Niyogusengwa Pastor. Nanze sinza kuvuga muri Kirundi kwenza kuvuga neza, sinza kuvuga muri English. I just wanted to say we're all super thankful for all of you guys. You guys helped create this. We haven't been here for the longest, but it's been nice to know that there's a lot of familiar faces that know us. And it's been a blessing to know that you guys all invited us with open arms. I know my father is really grateful to be here. It's the most I've seen him smile in a very long time. And there's nothing more we could be more thankful for than to be back home and in the heart of Burundi.
Babanije kunezererwa gusa baranezerewe rwose ego nta bindi bintu birenze kiretse ko banezerewe kuva tugeze ngaha bakomeje kunezererwa nta najewe nuko murakoze n'abana twageze ku kibuga cy'indege bamubaza ibyangombwa tizana turebe noneho umuntu ari aho akora hariya ujya mu kiboya ati arasomye Pastor Niyogusengwa hanyuma acarunamuka kumbe mu bikorwa by'Imana yamubonye nk'umumisiyoneri cyangwa umupasitori hanyuma umwana arisigura atasida niryo zina njyewe Kristo nuko hanyuma rero tunagomba kumaririza ko mvuga abenshi dukunze guhurira kuri WhatsApp abakunda gusetsa abantu bavuga ngo kuri WhatsApp noneho rero barakunze kubona dukunda kuganira ibintu byinshi ariko nagomba mvuge ku bijyanye na sosiyete yacu ya hano mu Giteranyi. Isosiyete ni ikintu cyaguka kidahera gitegerezwa guma